Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In last video lecture, you see that we are disconnected because of the memory problems. At that time, we are discussing another method or another way to find out the determinant of 3x3 matrices. In that video lecture, we discussed that we use cofactors and minors for the determinant of 3x3 and higher order matrices. But if you are not willing to use the cofactors and minors and you are interested to find out the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix, so write down the elements of this matrix in same patient without square brackets. I am writing the elements of this matrix A. This is the method in same patient. You see that the first column is written in the first horizontal vertical way. This is the first row, but I am writing this without using the square brackets. The first two columns will be written again after this first column. This is the way I am writing the first two columns again. Okay, now you see that now these arrows, this is arrows having upward direction, this arrow is also upward direction, this arrow is also upward direction. Now this arrow is directed downward, this is also directed downward, and this is also directed downward. So the arrows which is directed upward, multiply those elements. I am multiplying these elements. You see that this is A determinant, A31, A22, A13 plus this is another arrow which is directed upward. You will write plus for the upward arrows when the arrows are directed upward and multiply these elements A11. Then you will put plus. This is also an arrow which is directed upward, so you will multiply the elements. And when the arrows are directed upwards, so the signs with the multiplication of the elements is plus, and the arrows which are directed downward will also be multiplied and put sign minus in that case. So minus A11, A22, A33 you will write in here, but there is no place, so I am writing it here. So this is another row directed downward, so multiply these and there will be minus sign with this also in 31. And then the third row headed downward, so multiply these elements. So by multiplying these, this is also a formula, or you can, this is also another method to find out the determinant of 3 by 3 matrices. How you can do it? I am taking an example. In previous video lecture, you see that when I consider the exercise 2.2 question number 1, so the determinant of that matrix is equal to minus 14. So I am checking it by using this method also. The matrix is 1 3 1 minus 1 2 0 0 2 0 minus 2. This is 3 by 3 matrix. So if you are interested to find out the determinant of this matrix by this way without using the minor and cofactors, so you will write in solution, the target is to find out the determinant. So in solution you will write out the elements in the same arrangement without the square brackets. So 1 minus 1 2 3 2, 0, 1, 0, minus 2, and write again the first two columns after the third one. So this is 1, 3, this is minus 1, 2, 2, 0. Now you need to draw the arrows in this fashion. You see that this is the first arrow headed downward. Now this is the second arrow headed downward, and this is the third arrow headed downward. This is the first arrow, headed upward, the second arrow headed upward, and this is the third arrow headed upward. This minus 1 and this plus 2 will be remaining. No arrow will be touched with minus 1 and plus 2. So multiply the down headed arrows, multiply the up headed arrows elements. So A determinant will be equal to up headed 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So you will get 4 plus 0 multiplied by 0, 0, 0 multiplied by 1, you will get 0. Okay, plus minus 2 multiplied by plus 1. So you will get 2. 2 multiplied by 3, you will get 6. Then you will put minus for the down headed arrows. So 1 multiplied by 2. So 2 multiplied by minus 2, you will get minus 4. Then minus second headed down headed arrow. So 3 multiplied by 0, 0 multiplied by 0, 0 multiplied by 2, you will get 0. The third down headed arrow. So this is also because 0, because this contain here 0. So this is also minus 0. So this is A plus. So this will be equal to 4 plus 6 plus 4. So you will get plus 14. You see that from that we also get plus 14, and from here we also get plus 14. So this is another method, but we will use the cofactors and minors method to find out the determinant while doing the exercise questions. So that method will be used, but this is also another method. You can also use it. Thank you.